Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the activation lock screen and why it matters. Activation lock shows the device is tied to an Apple ID. Once done, gather proof of purchase and the device serial or IMEI because Apple requires ownership verification. If you can, contact the original owner and ask them to remove the device from their account. Make sure they use Icloud, or their device to remove it, as that is the authorized, secure route. Next, you follow the authorized removal steps so the phone becomes usable. If the original owner can access iCloud, have them sign into iCloud. Go to Find My iPhone and remove the files from their devices. They should then erase it remotely to clear the activation lock. If you are the legitimate owner, sign in on the device with your Apple ID and password, then disable Find My iPhone before erasing, because that sequence ensures. Finally, if you cannot reach the original owner, you must contact Apple support and submit proof of purchase. They will verify ownership before removing the activation lock. Make sure your documents show the device serial or IMEI and match Apple's records, because that verification is required. Once Apple clears the lock, you can erase and set up the iPhone, sign in with your Apple ID, and re-enable Find My iPhone for proper device protection. If problems persist, call Apple again for case follow-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.